Hello students and all other viewers. Here is the third important lecture on surveying and geocomputation. In my previous lecture, I discussed about brief history of surveying to selection of stations in detail. Who are not still viewed my lecture through my channel Educare Trust for Knowledge and Entertainment, please visit and subscribe my show. Press the notification icon to get more important videos like that. I am Prasanna Banerjee, Department of Geography, THLH Mahavidyalaya, Mollarpur, Birbhum. Today, I will discuss about different terms used in chain surveying. Number 2, how to select a survey station. Number 3, different advantages and disadvantages of chain surveying and the different instrument used in chain surveying. In this slide, I will discuss about different terms related with chain surveying. The first important term, that is survey station. The survey station is a point of importance at the beginning and end of the chain line. They may also occur at the convenient points on the chain line. Such station may be main station, subsidiary station, and tie station. Stations taken along the boundary of an area as controlling point are known as main stations. The line joining the main station are called main survey line. The main survey line should cover the whole area to be surveyed. The main stations are denoted by circle, triangle, and with letters A, B, C, D, E. On the other hand, the stations which are on the main survey line or any other survey line are known as subsidiary stations. These stations are taken to run subsidiary line for dividing the area into triangles, for checking the accuracy of the triangle, and for locating interior details. These stations are denoted and written by S1, S2, S3, etc. Any point selected on the main survey line where it is necessary to run the auxiliary lines to locate the interior details such as fences, hedges, building, etc. when they are at some distance from the main survey line are known as subsidiary or tie station. The line joining such stations are known as tie line or subsidiary line. The stations are also subsidiary stations taken on the main survey line. Line joining main station is called main survey line or chain line. They are represented by circle, delta, capital letter A, B, or number 1, 2, 3, etc. Similarly, these subsidiary, in case of subsidiary line or subsidiary tie line, these are the points selected on main line where it is necessary to run auxiliary line to locate interior details such as corner, tree, building, etc. These lines joining tie station are called tie lines or subsidiary lines. They are represented by small letter A, B, C, etc. The line joining the apex point of a triangle to some fixed point on its base is known as check line. it is taken to check the accuracy of the triangle. Sometimes this line helps to locate interior details. Here, I will discuss about baseline. The line on which the framework of the survey is built is known as the baseline. It is the most important line of the survey. Generally, the longest of the main survey line is considered as baseline. This line should be taken through fairly level ground and should be measured very carefully and accurately. The magnetic bearing of the baseline are taken to fix the north line of the map. All the terms used in chain surveying, which I discussed in my previous slides, will be cleared from this diagram. Here A, B, C, D is the main station denoted with triangle. AB is the main survey line, BD is the baseline, where S1, S2 are the subsidiary line, and T1 is the tie line. The following points should be considered in selecting survey station points. Number 1. It should be visible from at least 2 or more stations. Number 2. As far as possible, main lines should run on level ground. Number 3. All triangles should be oil conditioned. No angle less than 30 degrees. Main network should have as few lines as possible. Each main triangle should have at least one check line. Obstacle to running and chaining should be avoided. Sides of the large triangle should pass as close to boundary line as possible. Here, I will discuss about different advantages and disadvantages of chain survey. Number 1 advantages is the chain surveying is suitable for small areas, while it is not suitable for large scale land. The second important advantages of chain surveying is that the parts of the chain are easily replaceable, while the difficulties may be faced while obstruction in the land while doing the surveying. Here, booker, leader and follower are enough to take the survey. It is the third important advantage of surveying, while it takes more time or time needed. Number 4, the calculation which involves measuring the area is simple, and the disadvantages is it is less accurate or accuracy is less. Number 5, less error occurrence in survey, but it is not suitable for sloped land. In this slide, different instruments are to be discussed which are used in chain surveying. These instruments are chain, arrows, ranging rod, offset rod, plumb bob, ranging pole, pegs, line ranger and threads. Thank you for your participation once again. Hope this lecture helps you for building your knowledge. My next video on surveying and geocomputation will come soon.